The Samsung Galaxy A14 sports a 6.6-inch FHD plus IPS LCD display with a 60Hz refresh rate, for 80 nits peak brightness and a water drop notch to house the selfie snapper. Powering the phone is the MediaTek Helio G80 paired with ARM Mali G52 GPU, 6GB RAM and 128GB storage that is further expandable via a microSD card. The handset runs on Android 13 based on One UI 5.0 custom skin out of the box. The Samsung Galaxy A14 4G packs a 5000 mAh battery with support for 10W fast charging. Connectivity options include 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC, GPS, and a USB Type-C port. There is a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for security and weighs 201 grams. As for the cameras, the Samsung Galaxy A14 4G packs triple cameras on the back, with a 50MP main camera, a 5MP ultra-wide-angle lens and a 2MP sensor. There is a 13MP snapper on the front for selfies and video chats.